So, how do we teach computers or software to be able to learn and perform actions without programming them? Well, there are three basic ways, and these ways have been categorized into three types of machine learning. Well, there are other types, but these are the basic, uh, normal types that every machine learning engineer should know. And these um, types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So, what is supervised learning? What is unsupervised learning? What is reinforcement? Well, the word supervised means guiding. So, with supervised learning, you guide the process of learning. So, let me give an example. So, you have a software that you wanted to be able to uh, determine whether a particular picture is a cat. With supervised learning, you provide it with images of cats, telling it that this is a cat, this is a cat. You give it other images, no, this is not a cat. You give it this image, this is a cat, this is a cat, this is a cat. Then the software will learn from all the images to recognize what a cat actually is, so that later when it sees a cat picture, it will, because it has learned how a cat looks like, just like a baby, it will be able to say that this is a cat. What about unsupervised learning? So with unsupervised learning, the process of learning is not guided. The agent or the software infers for itself. So later on, we will get into detail. So you get the uh, distinction between supervised and unsupervised clearly. But for now, what I would say is with supervised learning, the learning process is guided. With unsupervised, it is not guided. The system infers for itself. What about reinforcement learning? Well, with reinforcement, let me give a typical example. There might be an environment where there is an agent on a particular site, let's say a game. This agent or this game agent is supposed to move from its location, its origin, to a particular destination. And there are so many paths with obstacles on the way. So this agent will have to find the shortest route to the destination without getting attacked by these obstacles or hit by these obstacles. So now, when it starts, it goes through maybe one path, and it hits an obstacle. It will learn and realize, okay, if I go here, this would happen. So I won't pass here. Then it starts again. Then it goes. Then uses another path. So as it goes through the environment, maneuvers the environment, it learns looking at uh, the obstacles and all that, so that the learning process become reinforced. And then by going through all the paths or all the routes, it will determine how to quickly move from its origin to destination without meeting any obstacle. Maybe you might put some um, rewards also on the way, so that it can also uh, maybe when it gets to that maybe particular where the reward is, it will know that, well, if I get here, it means I've done well. If I don't get to any reward, it means I didn't do well. You let's end it here. Um, with reinforcement learning, let's just say it learns by experience. Supervised learning, the learning process is guided. Unsupervised learning, it infers by itself. We will later get into the details, so you get the actual understanding and how we can start programming them.